Let's shift our focus now to another breaking update. This is the TDP and the Jan Sena. Yes, the allies. The Karyakarta seems to be clashing in Tadiparthi, which is a clash that has now been also said when it comes to in Andhra Pradesh over the allies that have been clashing in Andhra Pradesh. Let me also get us the reporters on ground to help us understand why these clashes have been reported. What is being said that the Karyakartas had indulged in an argument, both of them trying to control over the management committee of the Aparna Devi Mandir at the Kakinada district, and the Jan Sena and TDP and BJP, which are allies in the state of Andhra Pradesh, however, say when it comes to the clashes that have been reported, this is over the control of temple management committee in Andhra Pradesh village. We are told that is the reason why the clashes that broke out. However, when it comes to the administration of the temple, that was earlier handled by the YSRCP government led by Jagan Reddy. But when it comes to the new alliance that has been formed in the state of Andhra Pradesh elections and won handsomely, and of course this alliance that is also a part of the NDA. However, these clashes that have now been reported, this is said to be over the control of temple management committee in Andhra Pradesh village. Somit is with us right now. Somit, unlikely pictures when it comes to allies have been clashing their Karyakartas in Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. What is the reason?
Well, not just in one place, but at several places, because last time we have saw how violent clash reported from several places, from several districts across Andhra Pradesh, and violent attacks have taken place, and the victims were from the TDP and the Jan Sena, and after immediately the TDP government has has came to power. Now TDP followers have started attacking the YSRCP leaders, and they have attacked several even residences of the top YSRCP leaders like Vallabhనేని Vamshi, Kodelani, former minister and former MLA, and also at several places they have also attacked the the YSRCP followers and on ground.
All right.
And, this incident was also escalated in Guntur and Prakasam district and the Krishna district, and there even they have made one of the SSCP leader to plead in front of the banner of Nara Lokesh, TDP working president. So one side YSSCP is demanding for police action, the other side even Babu has come out openly and said that
All right.
TDP workers should, they shouldn't be getting provoked by the YCP leaders, and they should maintain.
Well, of course, they are the allies that will be forming the government in Andhra Pradesh, and of course, an important part that they play when it comes to on the national front being part of the NDA as well. Somit, thank you very much for those